Hello everyone, welcome to Foodology by Dipali. Before we move further with our new salad series, let me reply a query which many people have asked me, how I am managing these exotic veggies in this lockdown also. So ladies, let me tell you, I am taking these veggies from NutriFresh Farms. As you can see, fresh veggies, European cucumbers, red cabbage, bell peppers, iceberg lettuce, broccoli, cherry tomatoes, and you can take zucchini, mushrooms, all these things. And even these beautiful orchids also I have ordered from NutriFresh Farms only. Timely delivery, very good packing, no hassles, doorstep delivery. I'll post a link also how to order in the description box. Now the question is, why NutriFresh? NutriFresh follows hydroponic farming, which is completely controlled by environment, where food has nil contact with outside environment. RO purified water is used to produce best quality produce. No soil is used. Instead, nutrient-rich water is combined with coco peat. No harsh light during summers or winters. In place of that, diffuse sunlight and curtains maintain ideal light and temperature for the plants. So that's how we get highest quality veggies with zero exchange of hands, which is very important in present times. In our healthy food series, I am going to show you another salad, that is pasta salad. I'll show you how to make pasta salad in two ways. One is with creamy dressing using mayonnaise, and the other is classic pasta salad. So let me show you the ingredients for this. This is bell pepper, chopped tomatoes, cherry tomatoes I have taken, blanched broccoli, capsicum, red bell pepper, mayonnaise, around 1 cup I have taken, lime juice, 2 tablespoons, some honey, salt and white pepper. And I have some boiled pasta with me. Now the question is, how come pasta is healthy? So let me tell you, nowadays many varieties of pastas are available in market. So this I have taken quinoa pasta, and durum wheat pasta also you can take. That is also very healthy compared to flour pasta, which we take. Add some pasta to the bowl. I'll add bell pepper, some capsicum, diced ones, red bell pepper, cherry tomatoes, some broccoli. You can add diced cucumber also here. So time to prepare the dressing now. I'm taking around 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, generous amount of mayonnaise for this creamy dressing. 1 teaspoon lime juice and equal amount of honey. Around half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of white pepper. Mix all the things nicely. This is a quick salad which we can prepare ahead of time, ahead of our dinner. And we are supposed to keep it in refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours. We are supposed to serve it chilled. So you can see nice creamy texture. You can add fresh herbs also like parsley to it. Mix it well and our pasta salad is absolutely ready to serve. Everybody's favorite. And at the same time, it's healthy also. Look at the colors in pasta. I hope you'll like this. another way of making pasta salad, that is classic pasta salad with Italian dressing. So let me show you ingredients for this. We have bell pepper, yellow, cherry tomatoes, some blanched broccoli, some red bell pepper, capsicum, boiled quinoa pasta, and honey, lime juice, white pepper, salt. As you can see, I have taken rock salt, which is a healthier option. So I always use rock salt in my all salads. I have extra virgin olive oil with me, vinegar, thyme, basil, garlic powder, oregano, and some water. So let's start before making. I have these European cucumbers also with me. So let's chop these cucumbers little. The skin of these cucumbers is very thin, so very healthy to eat. We need not to peel these cucumbers. So just we'll cut them roughly, we'll just chop them. Big chunks. Take a bowl. Add some veggies. Start with the capsicum, bell pepper, cherry tomatoes, again bell pepper, some broccoli, and pasta. Now take another bowl and we'll start preparing dressing in this. I'm taking 2 tablespoons of vinegar. You can use lime juice if you want. That's entirely up to you. Two tablespoons of olive oil. 2 tablespoons water, take some herbs, around half teaspoon thyme, one-fourth teaspoon basil, some oregano, around half teaspoon I am taking oregano also. Garlic powder, half teaspoon of garlic powder, salt, half teaspoon, white pepper, half teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon honey. Slightly more than 1 I have taken. Now whisk these ingredients well. And pour it over your salad ball. Again, you can prepare this salad ahead of time. Mix it well. You can add some more fresh herbs like parsley you can add. Our pasta with classic Italian dressing is ready. Chill it in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours and serve it. Any other healthy salad videos on our food channel also and on our website www.foodologybydeepali.com. So keep visiting, stay tuned. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.